And we're gonna remove this retainer here. This is a very important retainer, and we talked about this in the back. It's like a spring loaded. It keeps the vibration and this caliper from moving. And we're gonna see before and after on that. Anyways, let's take this baby out. Okay, to take this baby out, be careful this doesn't fly out, hit you in the eye. So what I usually do is put my hand on it and just pop this baby off just like that. So it doesn't fly and hit you in the eye, especially if you got your buddy standing next to you. That's why I doing this to you. All right, so this is out. And you could go behind this and just yank it a bit. Okay. It just works like a spring, that's all it is. And it keeps this caliper nice and tight in there. It doesn't let it move and vibrate just like that. We're gonna put a new one on. Okay, next. We're gonna put this baby in. There's a little trick to it. So a lot of people, they will try to go this way. What I like to do is I'll get one of the edges in, get the other one in, and then just work your way up. Oh, sometimes it does that. So make sure you have some safety glasses. Not hurt yourself. This is the strong one. Whoop. That's two. Sometimes you can get it in just like that. We're gonna do it that way. And it's like a little groove in there, so it should sit in there, but it's only gonna sit in there once. This guy is where it belongs. Okay. All right. Not liking this guy. Okay, there you go. That's one. It's gonna try to come out from there, but once we get this guy in, everything should lock up. Just make sure it doesn't hit you in the eyes. That's the only thing. That's the only fear. Let me try it with the hand. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Everything just sits in place. Tap, tap.